Hello, my name is Maribeth Tongpalan. I am 52 years old and I am married with two sons. I am I've been working as domestic helper for 6 years in Middle East, Jordan, and 6 years here in Hong Kong. 4 years now with this present employer that I have, and I can uh, do cooking. I can teach children which are in kindergarten or daycare. Uh, I can take care of elderly and pets. I am a silent type of person. I can say that I am honest and I love working. Yeah. Uh, I can work with a coworker if it is necessary. Yeah. Uh, I can adjust my personality. I can do all work, but not with newborn baby. Thank you. Thank you.